Recording. Loading. So we're technically making the last bushing, drill bushing that we need for this good old
How deep we going?
inmate stud repair.
How deep we going?
Inch and a half. A little bit over an inch and a
A
half.
little bit over?
Yeah.
How much over?
I don't know. I don't know.
2.5 over?
I don't know, because you might have to turn down the OD a little bit more. Hey, somebody's calling.
Yeah, I know. Interruptions. Put the camera off. We need to go at least 1.5 inches, you said, right?
Yeah.
That's the height of the shoulder.
I told you that's give or take.
Then we want to have a little bit of a shoulder on top. Are we going to do a 1/4 inch shoulder on top?
No, you said we were going to, it didn't need to be a 1/4 inch. You can make it an 1/8 inch.
An 1/8 inch.
Yeah.
We're trying to save material.
That's what you said.
Oh, okay. So that means we need to be at least 1.75 inches deep. So when we cut it off, I'll have to cut
We
the
got
solid
room.
material.
Yeah.
So then we go over here and we measure how much material we got to work with. See, it's a little bit over 4.5 inches.
Mm-hmm.
So if you take 2 inches off of that, what do you got?
What'd you say? It's a little bit over 4 inches.
Yeah, we take off 2 inches, what we got?
2 inches.
We're a little bit over 2.5 inches. Yeah, so there you go. So we're going to be about 2 5/8 to 2 3/4 inches sticking out, and we're all the way in.
Right.
Now this being a 1/2 inch scale, a 1/2 inch bit, this actually fits in a hole. You can go like that and measure it. And right now we know we're this deep.
So we're 2 inches deep.
See?
Is that what that says?
We're 2 inches deep.
Right.
Which is how deep we need to go? 2 inches. Good. Now if I go like this one like
I
that.
thought we were going two
I
and
knew
3/4.
I knew if we were 2.5 inches we'd be about to, or excuse me, back here. And that's about how deep we're in there.
Hmm.
So I'm deep enough. It's not going any deeper. But this doesn't fit yet.
No, it does not.
But it's close. It's trying to go in a hole. So what down goes this?
533,000.
533.
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
Give or take a millionth or two.
Millionth or two, great. Okay, now how are we going to get that to be exactly the number we want?
We're going to bore it with the little boring bar all over again.
Is that what we're going to do? So this is not concentric right now, you don't think?
Maybe.
Maybe.
But I do not believe there is a drill that is 533,000.
I don't know. What size is that?
It is a 13.5 millimeter.
I guarantee I don't have that one.
I guarantee you don't have it either.
I have that one.
Yeah, that's too big.
I got that one.
That's big. That's good. That's good. That with the wobble, that'll give us 533 guaranteed.
See, 533, we'd have to hone it a little bit.
Yeah, that's fine.
No.
We're honers.
So how concentric is our hole right now to what we want? Well, that's an important thing. The next thing is, do we actually have a 17/32 reamer around here?
Maybe.
Maybe. That's a good question. First thing we're going to do is find out if the hole's concentric. Now we did use a center drill, and we did use a good drill bit.
Correct.
It's like a new bit. Not quite new, but pretty close. So how concentric do you think we actually are?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
Now we knew how concentric the bushing was. It was 1 thou out.
Right. So we should be a thou out.
So for a thou out, theoretically, it can be as much as 2 out on the inside then. Okay, so now we got that syndicator right here. Down there like that. You see how concentric we are.
Close enough.
Is the indicator broken?
Nope. Drill it. Yep, we're still out around up there.
So that drill hole is pretty accurate.
Yeah, you seem to be running over chippy chips.
Is that what the issue is? You got
Yeah.
chips in the hole?
You didn't clean it off before you put it.
I did not clean it before I indicated it.
Yeah.
That was
See?
an accessory item. Okay, so right now our hole is pretty damn concentric, so we don't really have to bore it because we are really good.
Yeah, so we can just drill it out.
It's almost like I knew what the hell I was doing when I drilled that hole.
Yeah.
Almost.
Almost.
So now...
Do we ever really know what we're doing?
Now we have an option to put the reamer through the hole because right now we're still good.
Okay.
Now reamer should follow the original hole.
Technically.
Now we need a 13/32 what?
Reamer.
Reamer. What diameter would that be, sir?
531 thou and 3/10.
533 what?
531 thou and 3/10.
I got 549.
That's too big.
So we got to drop down a notch. How about a 531
That's good.
and a half?
That's fine. That's 13.5 millimeters.
Oh.
But you're
That's
using...
the second one on my list here. Yeah, this one's a 1/2 inch. That's only the second one on the pile here.
There you go.
And now, does this look like a good sharp reamer that will cut true and straight?
Yeah.
Or does it look like a piece of crap that might be owned by me?
It looks decent.
That can't be mine, then. Okay. So we're going to try this and see if we happen to luck out. Now, if it doesn't work out, what's our options?
Start all over.
That's right, because we don't have any room to fix it. It is what it is.
Start over.
Reaming, you should slow down a little bit when you ream.
So you should slow down a little bit. Why you didn't slow down?
Because I'm in a hurry. You sure already know that I do everything too fast. Don't you read comments?
They say you do stuff too fast?
Yeah, too much speed, too much speed.
Man. Depends on who you are.
That's why I just do what I want. I don't care. You notice how the reamer's not doing this?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good sign.
That's a good sharp reamer.
That means we're probably going straight. That's because I'm going nice and fast.
Is there such thing as a spiral reamer?
Yes.
There is?
Yes.
Huh.
That's when it flows to go straight. This is straight. Spiral, they go to curve.
Right.
There's some over there for that.
Oh, that's what those are? The big ones right there? Those aren't drills?
There's reamers over there. So all hand reamers are straight, but some machine reamers are spiral.
Hmm.
Theoretically, a spiral reamer should give you a better hole and help evacuate the chips better. But in the real world, they both work. It's getting hard to move right there, so I think we're about done.
You about done?
About done.
Yeah, it looks like you bottomed out.
Maybe about 2 inch long more. Oh, it's a 2 inch long reamer.
Yep.
Okay, finish doesn't look too bad. Okay, so we might need this again right here, so leave that right there. Really lousy job. It's within one. With all the chips and everything.
Right.
I'm thinking the chips might be something problem.
It might have a problem with that.
Maybe. Okay, so it looks like I'm pretty close. Okay, so we go do this. What's this?
A deburr tool.
Deburr tool.
Always deburr your edges.
It's also the radius tool. It's a radius tool.
Minimum 5 thou chamfer.
my dirty rag. I'm like,
I don't know. You picked that up from somewhere. Ooh, it needs to be honed out.
Good.
It's almost there though.
Precision job we're done. Okay, now somebody did a deburr job there. Who did that?
I did.
And this one has a little bit of a deburr here, but it's a little shaky.
Oh, probably because I went the other way. I don't want to put my arm.
So you went backwards like this?
No, I went this way. Because, you know, I didn't want to hang my arm.
Oh, you mean floppy sweater like that?
Yeah.
That's safe though.
Yeah, no.
No.
Not for me.
If you notice, I deburred this chuck.
It ain't safe for me. It moves. Fingers far away.
It does move. You go like that with rotating, it doesn't hurt you.
I'm good.
Unless you catch in these grooves, then it hurts. And if these are sticking up, it really hurts you. I've done that too. Yeah, the back and the backside has nothing to hurt you.
All right, so how are we going to cut that off now?
Oh, your bandsaw.
What?
Where's your bandsaw?
At home?
Oh, you didn't bring it?
No.
Did you bring manual with you?
No.
Why not?
I don't know manual.
You don't know manual?
No.
You don't know Mr. Manual Labor?
No. You got a tool for that.
Like this?
What is that?
It's a tool. How about that? You know what that is? It's a tool. How much do we want?
An eighth of an inch.
About that much.
So why you just don't spin it while you do that?
It doesn't work.
It doesn't?
Nope.
Have you tried it?
Yes. Tried it once, it didn't work. And every time I see someone try to do it, you know what? It still does not work.
Is it because it's moving too fast? Huh?
Yeah, it just doesn't work. The way you keep the hole going straight is you keep changing your angle. See, that way you always keep it going straight. See, it's still going thicker though.
You want to switch?
Nope.
Why? Because we proved that I don't know how to cut straight.
Yep. You already proved you can't do your job.
I got cut. We knew I couldn't cut straight long before we cut with the socks on.
Long before you started doing it?
Yeah, we knew this wasn't gonna come out straight.
That's good.
We found that out when I used the plasma torch that I couldn't cut straight.
Yeah, we did, didn't we?
We did. I can't cut in a circle and I can't cut straight.
Yeah, there you go. Good job.
But I can cut.
There you go. That's better than
I can get the job done. You want something cut? I can cut it. No problem. You want to cut accurately?
That's different. That's a different job.
Yeah, that's asking a lot.
Ah. I think it's going. Nope. That's where you don't put a file right there. The file goes over here. See, now we're through. You're going pretty straight. See, this one's walking sideways, see it?
That's fine. We got a sander over there.
Got a sander?
Yeah, just sand it flat.
I just go in a circle and keep going. Yeah, that looks good. That one's walking a little bit. You have to about 100 times of banging your finger in the back of that shot.
Mm-hmm. You want to switch?
What?
Oh, you guys can take her.
Hey, got that much left.
I thought you were way closer the way it looked.
I am almost done.
Whammo blammo.
See, manual labor,
And that is the bushing.
Mr. Manual.